Hey people, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be another shopping vlog, but it's going to be with a difference because this time I'm going to Lidl and Aldi. I just want to compare these two shops and know which is cheaper than the other. So this vlog is just going to be about me going to Lidl, and then I will stop by at Aldi and I will shop for the same thing. Like if I'm buying meat from this shop, I'll be buying meat from the other shop. So yes, that's what I'll be doing today. And then when we get back home, we would open the bag together and we will see what we bought, and we will check the receipt and see which is actually cheaper than the other. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and please kindly share this video to your community, to your friends and family. They may find value in this video. But at the meantime, please come shopping with me. Here is my list of the things I plan to buy today. It's quite massive. Yes, but I'll buy from each shop. It won't be one shop, it will be from the two shops. Yes, so let's keep going. Hi guys, welcome back. We are done shopping and we are back, and here is everything we got. So like I said before I left, that when I come back we will compare the prices and we will decide ourselves which is cheaper. So yes, and I've got my list here with me as well. So yes, so do I get my pen? So we'll cross check, because we're definitely doing this together. I haven't really done any. So I got this tortilla wrap. This is the cheapest in Lidl, and this is the cheapest in Aldi as well. So I got the tortilla wrap from Lidl for 65 pence, and from Aldi it is also 65 pence. So we'll say 65 pence tortilla wrap. So nobody is winning at this point. I got this Colgate from Aldi and this one from Lidl. Aldi is £1.89 and Lidl it is £1.98. So at this point, Aldi is leading. Another thing we got is toothbrush. So this is from Aldi and this is from Lidl, and this is 49p from Lidl, and this is £1.19 from Aldi, and they are both the cheapest brands I saw. Cabbage from Aldi, and I got cabbage from Lidl too, just one each. Cabbage from Lidl is 53 pence, and from Aldi it is 59 pence. So again, Lidl is winning. From Aldi, hot chocolate is 99p, and from Lidl it is 99p. So there is no winner at this point. It's the same price. So this is from Lidl, Target, and this is from Aldi, and they are both 29p each. 29p. So the same price for both of them, both in Lidl and in Aldi. Chopped tomatoes. So this is from Aldi and this is from Lidl. So, and they are both 28p. They are the cheapest brands in both shops. So I got the cheapest one. So this is 28p and this is 28. Evaporated milk. This is from Lidl and this is from Aldi. No, this is from Aldi, Lidl, and this is from Aldi, and they are both 52 pence. So another important one is apple, jazz apple. I got this jazz apple from Lidl, and it's the same in Aldi. So, and they are both £1.69. None is cheaper. Another item is flour. So this is from Lidl, and here this is from Aldi. And they are both 45p. Wow, 8p from Aldi. And I got this 40p from Lidl. But what you can see here is, what I noticed is, this is actually bigger than this. So even though this is 28p and this is 40p, this is still bigger than this. So there is no way I can compare these two. So I'll assume that they are both the same price, because obviously there is no comparison between these two. So yes, and here this is from Aldi. This is from Aldi and this is from Lidl. And in Lidl the price is £1.15, and in Aldi it is £1.15. So it's the same price. This cornflakes from Lidl for 55 pence, and here this is also cornflakes, and it was also sold for 55 pence. So they're both the same price in both shops. None is cheaper. Another item I'll be comparing is chicken. So I got chicken from Aldi and I got from Lidl, but because of the way I packed my items, I can't bring out the chicken from Lidl, from Aldi. But this is from Lidl. So, and I bought it £1.35. Both shops, they sold it for £1.35 each of them. So they are both the same price. Next item on our list to compare is bananas. So this is from Aldi and this is from Lidl. They are both the same size, but they weigh the same thing on the weighing scale, and they are both sold for £1.15 in each shop. £1.15 Aldi, £1.15 Lidl. This is from Lidl and this is from Aldi. But from the look of things, Aldi is quite cheaper. So from Aldi, I got it for 31p. But from Lidl, it is 49p. This is from Lidl and this is from Aldi. And they are both sold for 99 pence. None is cheaper. 99 pence. This is from Aldi. And this one is from Lidl. They are both £1.69. Fondant icing. This is from Aldi and this is from Lidl. They are both the cheapest brands of this fondant icing. and they are both sold for £1.49 in each shop. None is cheaper. So this is from Lidl and this is from Aldi, and they are both the same kg. And from Lidl it is 91 pence, and from Aldi it is £1.19. So this is from Lidl, and this is from Aldi. So they're both porridge oats, same kilogram, 1 kg and 1 kg, and they are both 75 pence from both. Another item on our list to compare is juice. This is 99p from Aldi and this is 55p from Lidl. This egg is from Aldi and this is from Lidl, and they are both sold £1.19. This is from Aldi and this is Lidl. So they are both the same. 3 peppers, orange, yellow, red, and they are both sold £1.29 in both shops. This is from Aldi and this is from Lidl. Both the same size, same quantity basically, and they are both 69 pence. Basically that's everything I bought in this my shopping. So we've come to the end of this price comparison for both shops, Lidl and Aldi. We compare the prices of similar or same items from both Aldi and Lidl. I made sure I got the cheapest of each product from both shops, and it's time for the real thing, which is what is the price. But before I say the exact price of these items, I would first of all count, because when I was checking which item was cheaper, I was writing 1 and 0 for the other shop just to be sure of what I'm doing. So I'll count 1, 2, 4. I'm counting for Lidl now. I'm counting all the one I gave to Lidl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. So Lidl got 22 from my comparison. And let's count for Aldi. Aldi has the longest list though. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So Aldi got 21. Wow, that was almost a drop. So from Aldi has 21 points, Lidl has 22 points. Spent 41 pounds 25 pence from in Aldi. In Lidl I spent £37.09. So I spent £37.09 in Lidl and £41.35 in Aldi. That's to tell you which shop is cheaper than the other shop. So I give it up to Lidl. Something that says Lidl is cheaper than Aldi. Lidl and Aldi are both the cheapest shop I know in this UK. To be, after our shopping today, I asked, are you sure this is the price we spent in this shop? Because it's way cheaper than what we used to spend in other shops. If I had done this shopping in other shops, what are we paying for them won't be this price. I would have paid more. Henceforth is Lidl or Aldi for me. No more other shops. So I got all this for how much? I got all this for about £79. And to be honest, there are still some on the floor because my table is not big enough to contain them all. So it is really a bargain, to be honest. If you're thinking of where to do your Christmas shopping, now you have an idea. Let me know if there's any other thing you want me to tell you about that maybe I didn't mention here in this video. Please tell me in the comment section and I would answer that, or I will tell you that if it's something to tell you, or if it's a question, just ask me in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer that. And I think I've covered everything I need to cover in this video. See you next time. See you in my next video, and I hope you stay safe. Take care and bye.